In the forests of the Ivory Coast in West Africa live chimpanzees. Chimps are well known as social, intelligent animals that are mainly vegetarian. But they have a darker side. They're also aggressive carnivores that hunt as a pack, using devious and deadly tactics. Their prey? Red colubus monkeys. Male chimps team up into hunting parties of half a dozen individuals and set off on patrol through the forest. They walk quietly, listening for the colubus monkeys who stick to the tops of the tallest trees. Once the chimps find their prey, their game plan kicks in. The team splits up to take their positions. The driver moves first, climbing upward to flush the colubus out of their tree. Two blockers stay below and watch which way the colubus move. It's the blocker's job to run ahead and climb up on either side of the colubus group and funnel them in a particular direction. But it's the ambusher who has the critical role. He stays on the ground longest to try and get ahead of everyone. Then he picks a good tree, climbs, and waits. The trap is set. Unaware of what lies ahead, the colubus monkeys are forced into the ambush. Suddenly, a gap appears in the canopy and a colubus leaps right into the ambusher's tree. But it sees the danger, turns, and leaps back, only to be snatched by another chimp in the team. It's game over. Chimps win, colubus lose. On the ground, chimps from the rest of the troop who followed behind shriek and yell with anticipation. The meat will be shared among them. The hunting band of brothers may be brutal, but their teamwork provides nutritious food for all the family.